Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
Okay, we're gonna be filming this one, Thanon, Charoen, Krung. You got the Chinatown gate right there. We're gonna put this up on the map, and we're gonna be walking down the street behind me. There's some pretty cool stuff in there. Like there's a little China bar right here. This one. Actually, you could. All of these streets are pretty interesting. But we're gonna. There's even cranes up there too. But so, anyways, there's the gate, and we're gonna be walking down this particular street at nighttime and seeing what it looks like. So, so let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in the Chinatown of Bangkok. Walking the streets of Bangkok. I'm filming the streets so you can see exactly where we're at in Bangkok, and we're going to be going down it. And I also have a lot of other streets in Bangkok, so just kind of stay tuned. I'll put up a new one every 3-4 days or so. So keep watching for more of those. Okay. One quick reference: there's this little artwork right here. This artist is from Hawaii. He has those all over the place. These little one-eyed drawings. So that's I guess you came to this area too. So we're gonna walk down our target street, which is this one, and it's kind of getting dark, so I'm gonna try not to move the camera around too much, and I'm gonna try to move as slow as possible so I'm not moving the camera around too much. Here's a chop, but yeah, there's like kind of really cool stuff. Like I'll just give you an example, but here's these balconies up there. So yeah, check out all those balconies. They have like little French door types, and they look out over this, and then you have like these tea shops and some restaurants and some bars. It's pretty cool. New 88. This way you can actually sit outside. There's alleys that go all the way down like that too. It's like just such a great area. Welcome to the new 888. Huh. Okay. And you can also sit in all the bars up here too. You can just kind of check this all out so you can drink right up on this. And you can also eat too. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. And I don't know how close we are to Coastline Road, but it feels like there's a lot of like Coastline Road types of people that are walking around the foreign community. Actually kind of got all kinds of different people. So sell some fruit right here. Okay. Some lottery tickets to the left. Oh, I like this area. I've been hearing a lot about people coming to the Chinatown area, and usually where I've gone it's too crowded. I didn't really like it because it was so crowded and the streets were so narrow, but now I'm seeing that there's a lot of stuff happening all over the place in Chinatown. There's even all these little alleys. I kind of want to go down there and see. Go down this alley. Okay, let's go see. Okay, you got some nice artwork here too. Wow, okay. This is amazing. Okay. Let's go got a whole little alley, a little world in here. Okay, we're gonna stay to our street though. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we're gonna come back out. Some nice architecture throughout this area, including that green pastel. Something called the Rickshaw House. Huh. I've never seen this before. Rickshaw House. Huh. So we're still on our street. There's kind of a busy looking street right over there. We try to capture that. Huh. Like something called like Texas over there. Lots of stuff. I guess I just don't know. I just don't know this area that well. I've been to Chinatown before, but I guess I just maybe I went in the daytime. It was too hot. Didn't really. Wow. There's a whole Chinatown. Okay. Huh. Like a Starbucks right in there too. Restaurant. Huh. Oh, the people waiting for tourists. Huh. I think there's more down here that looks pretty interesting. So this would continue down our street down that way. I definitely think there's stuff down that way. We'll just capture these architecture and such. Huh. Okay, let's go down this way. Chronic dispensary. Okay. Let's see here. So we'll come down to the end and then we'll end the video. Unless it meanders to the to one of the sides. And it might. So I guess this goes to the back of the mall. So kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna end this video, and then we're going to label it accordingly. The street in Chinatown. Okay. Okay, so little slice of Bangkok. Didn't know. I guess maybe we'll walk down just a little bit just to kind of try to get an idea what's down this way as well. Oh, okay, we got a little Chinatown gate, so maybe we'll go to that space. Huh. little bit further then. We'll just keep going until we find a good ending spot. It's gonna get a little bit too dark to film, so there's more stuff down that way too. Huh. Okay, I guess we'll just come to an ending here. So that was our target street right here. Okay, so it's come to an end.